In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and tap on any photo you wish to add. If you can't find it here, select Gallery and tap on it here. Then select Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, you can also select Gallery again, and this time click on Folders. Then look for your photo over here and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!